Hello, travel friends. Welcome to Travel Partner, your go-to spot for travel stories and budget tips. We're a community passionate about exploring the world, no matter your budget. Here, you'll find the best places and learn how to see them without breaking the bank. Think of us as your friendly guide, always ready to help you plan your perfect trip. Today, we're heading to Krabi, Thailand, a dream destination of limestone cliffs, turquoise water, and sandy beaches. And the best part? We'll show you how to enjoy 3 unforgettable days in Krabi for just $200. Ready to discover the magic of Krabi? Let's dive in. If you love travel, join our Travel Partner community. Subscribe for free travel guides and tips. Let's get started on this adventure together. Krabi, on Thailand's southwest coast, is famous for its jaw-dropping scenery. Towering limestone cliffs, crystal clear water, and powdery white sand. It's a postcard come to life, perfect for both relaxation and adventure. Swim in warm ocean waters, kayak through hidden lagoons, or try rock climbing on the cliffs. The local food is incredible. Fresh seafood, spicy curries, and sweet mango sticky rice, all at budget-friendly prices. Friendly locals make you feel right at home. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with family, Krabi has something for everyone. Spend your days exploring and your evenings watching sunsets over the Andaman Sea. The laid-back vibe makes it easy to unwind and connect with nature. Krabi is a paradise that's accessible to all. Get ready to fall in love with its charm and beauty. Let's see how you can experience it all on a budget. Think a trip to Krabi is out of reach? Think again. This stunning Thai destination is more accessible than you might imagine, even if you're traveling on a shoestring budget. With a bit of smart planning and flexibility, you can soak up 3 unforgettable days in paradise for just $200, excluding your flight. Whether you're a solo backpacker or traveling with friends, here's how you can stretch your dollars and still have an amazing time. Stay in clean, social hostels in Ao Nang for about $40 total. These hostels are not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to meet fellow travelers and swap adventure stories. Eat delicious Thai street food, pad Thai, fried rice, fruit smoothies, for $45 over 3 days. The night markets are bursting with flavors, and you'll find something new to try every evening, from spicy curries to sweet mango sticky rice. Island hopping tours, like the famous 4 Islands tour, cost around $25 and include lunch and snorkeling gear. You'll get to explore crystal clear waters, hidden lagoons, and dramatic limestone cliffs, all in one day. Add a trip to Railay Beach for just $6 round trip. This iconic spot is perfect for sunbathing, rock climbing, or simply soaking in the breathtaking scenery. Local transport, including airport shuttles and getting around town, is about $20. Tuk-tuks and local buses are cheap, reliable, and give you a real taste of daily life in Krabi. That's $136, leaving you with extra cash for souvenirs, a relaxing Thai massage, or emergencies. You might even have enough left over for a sunset drink by the beach. The key? Choose local options, eat street food, and book tours in person to get the best deals. Avoid tourist traps and you'll be surprised how far your money goes. You don't need a big budget for a big adventure. Krabi proves that unforgettable experiences are possible even when you're watching your wallet. Let's break down each day so you can see exactly how it's done and plan your own affordable escape to paradise. Ready to make every dollar count and create memories that last a lifetime? Let's go. Day 1 kicks off with a scenic shuttle ride from Krabi Airport to Ao Nang, just $4 for a comfortable, air-conditioned journey. As you watch the lush landscapes and bustling local life pass by your window, you'll feel the excitement of adventure building. Once you arrive, check into your hostel, drop your bags, and get ready to explore. Hostels here are friendly and social, making it easy to meet fellow travelers from around the world. Step outside and wander along Ao Nang's lively beach promenade. Browse colorful local shops for souvenirs or beachwear, and grab lunch at a side street eatery. Authentic Thai food for just $2–3. The flavors are bold, fresh, and unforgettable. Spend your afternoon unwinding on the soft sands of Ao Nang Beach or swimming in the warm, turquoise sea. Whether you're sunbathing, reading, or just people-watching, the relaxed vibe is contagious. As evening approaches, find a cozy spot on the beach to witness a breathtaking sunset. The sky transforms into a canvas of orange, pink, and purple, with longtail boats drifting by. A perfect photo opportunity. For dinner, head to the bustling Ao Nang Landmark Night Market. Sample grilled chicken, crispy spring rolls, and sweet roti pancakes, all for just a few dollars. The market's lively atmosphere and delicious aromas make it a must-visit. Money-saving tip: carry a reusable water bottle and refill at local stations for pennies. It's convenient, especially in the tropical heat. This simple habit not only saves you money, but also helps reduce plastic waste, making your travels more eco-friendly. Day 1 is all about settling in, soaking up the sun, and enjoying the vibrant local flavors. Take time to connect with new friends and savor every moment. By the end of the day, you'll already feel the magic of Krabi, the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. Rest up in your cozy hostel because tomorrow promises even more excitement and discovery. Let's keep the momentum going. Get ready for an unforgettable Day 2 in Krabi. Day 2 is all about adventure, the legendary Four Islands tour. This is one of Krabi's most popular day trips, and for good reason. You'll hop between stunning islands, each with its own unique charm, and experience the best of the Andaman Sea in just one day. Book directly with a local operator in Ao Nang for $22–28 per person. This usually includes hotel pickup, a scenic boat ride, a tasty lunch, and all your snorkeling gear. It's a hassle-free way to see the islands, and you'll meet fellow travelers along the way. Start your day early to beat the crowds. First stop, Phra Nang Cave Beach. Marvel at the dramatic limestone cliffs, soft white sand, and the mystical cave filled with local legends and colorful offerings. It's a place where natural beauty and Thai folklore come together. Next, walk the magical sandbar that appears at low tide, connecting Tup and Chicken Islands. It's a surreal experience. One moment you're on one island, and a few steps later, you're on another, surrounded by turquoise water on both sides. Grab your snorkel and dive in near Chicken Island. The water here is crystal clear, perfect for spotting colorful fish, vibrant coral reefs, and maybe even a curious sea turtle if you're lucky. Lunch is served on the powdery sands of Poda Island. Enjoy a delicious Thai meal with a view of the iconic limestone rock. Afterward, swim, sunbathe, or just relax and soak up the tropical vibes. By mid-afternoon, you'll return to Ao Nang, a little sun-kissed and probably a lot happier, with memories to last a lifetime. For dinner, treat yourself to another local spot or head back to the bustling night market for street food, live music, and a lively atmosphere. Here's a money-saving hack. Don't be shy to bargain for your tour price, especially if you're booking as a group. You might score a great deal. The Four Islands tour is a must-do in Krabi, packed with value, adventure, and unforgettable sights at every stop. It's easy to see why Krabi is a top destination for travelers from all over the world, offering something for everyone. Ready for your final day? There's still more to discover, so let's make it count. Tomorrow, we explore the breathtaking Railay Beach. Don't miss it. Loving this Krabi adventure? Join the Travel Partner family. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on social media for more guides, tips, and inspiration. It's free, and you'll never miss a new adventure or travel deal. Connect with fellow travelers, share your stories, and ask questions. Your experiences help our community grow. We're here to help you travel smarter and farther. Thanks for being part of our journey. Now, let's dive into our final day in Krabi. Day 3 takes you to Railay Beach, reachable only by boat from Ao Nang for $6 round trip. The ride offers stunning views of limestone cliffs and turquoise water. Arrive at Railay West, then walk to Railay East for a bohemian vibe and relaxed bars. The real adventure: hike to the viewpoint and hidden lagoon, challenging but rewarding with breathtaking views. Relax on Phra Nang Beach or explore the caves. For lunch, grab affordable bites on the walking street or pack snacks from Ao Nang to save money. After a day of exploring, return to Ao Nang for your final dinner. Treat yourself to a local favorite. Money-saving tip: bring your own snacks, as food on Railay is pricier. Railay is the perfect finale: adventure, beauty, and unforgettable memories. You've experienced the best of Krabi on a budget. Let's wrap up your journey. In just 3 days, you explored Ao Nang, island hopped, and discovered Railay, all for under $200. Smart choices, hostels, street food, local tours made it possible. Daily money-saving hacks kept you on track. You proved that world-class travel doesn't require a big budget. Krabi's beauty, adventure, and culture are within reach for everyone. Inspired? Subscribe to Travel Partner for more affordable travel guides. Thanks for joining us. Your next adventure awaits. Let's keep exploring together. As our journey ends, remember, travel is about the moments that move you. Krabi's magic isn't just in its scenery, but in the feelings and memories you create. You don't need a lot of money to experience paradise. The best things, sunsets, warm seas, friendly smiles, are free. Let Krabi inspire you to dream, plan, and go. Adventure is out there, waiting for you to take the first step. The islands, cliffs, and Thai hospitality are calling your name. Your adventure in paradise is possible, no matter your budget. Thanks for traveling with Travel Partner. See you on the next journey.